feel like I'm in a nut house. Hi guys, so I did receive a PR packaging from Pixie Beauty and I used one of their eyeshadow palettes to create this look. If you guys want to see how I did it and what are my thoughts on these palettes, just keep on watching. So I have received my very first PR packaging from Pixie. I'm so excited. Honestly, you guys, like, I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much, Pixie. I received 2 eyeshadow palettes, which are really cute for the summer or like spring. I specifically fell in love with this cool tone palette because I do have a lot of warm tone palettes or super crazy colorful, and I realized I don't really have anything cool tone. And as they're new, and as if they're new, that I'm in need of a new eyeshadow brushes, they sent me this. So cute. So let's see how these brushes are. I'm actually really intrigued. I didn't even know they make brushes. I already prepped my eyes with MAC 24-hour base. This is the best eye primer that I have tried so far. I always use it on every client. It's amazing if you have oily eyelids. You just need a teeny tiny amount, and it also lasts really 24 hours. So after I prime my lips, I'm going in with this color here. Do these have names? Oh yes, Sheer Set. And I'm just using this fluffy brush all over. And this brush is surprisingly super soft and it does something. I'm sorry not to be ungrateful, but usually if there's a brush like too soft, I feel like it wouldn't really do the job and pick up enough product, if that makes sense. I'm going with the color Rose Clay. Same brush. Let's see how this will go now. And I'm just focusing in my crease. For my lower lash line, I'm using this brush that came. They have no name. EO1. Yeah, EO1. So basically like a small shader brush. And with the rest of whatever I have from that fluffy brush, just connect it here in my outer corner. I mean, that's crazy. For that color payoff, you have 12 colors. It's perfect for every single day, and the colors blend amazing. I have not a lot of crazy fallout like some expensive brands. Huda Beauty. And yes, they're pigmented. I honestly am so surprised. I would have never in my life picked up these eyeshadow palettes to try them out, because I wouldn't think, not they're bad, but I wouldn't think that they would do anything, because I know they started with skincare and they're more focused on skin care. And then if a brand like that comes out with eyeshadows or like makeup, maybe you understand what I mean or no. But yeah, this is crazy. So now I'm just going in, just I want to have a little more definition here. I'm telling you, some other eyeshadows have OD fallout. I am shook. Because I will do this tutorial. I bought this Huda Beauty palette because I love the colors, and it's so hard for me to find something that I don't already have. And the fallout was ridiculous. I had to do all my makeup all over again, because it started with my face, and that's what I've been doing. I'm starting with my face to save time and not waste so much time, and it was on another level. By the way, this was the color, oh, soft brown. And now I'm going with Metal Mauve. And yes, like always, I have 5 million brushes in my hand. What? Okay, I'm done. If you were not sold before, look at this. You'll see. I'll do this other tutorial, and I will need to have my finger. No brush needs to be wet here, and in order to get such a metallic payoff, I would need to use my finger and water and oil at the same time. Okay, that's it. I'm shook. I honestly am amazed. Pixie Beauty, you have a new fan right now. There's almost no fallout. Now I'm using this, still the small EO1 brush, the small shader brush, and I'm using now the color Bronze Gleam again. I just want a little more definition. Get a new brush to blend this together because I want a clean brush right now. This is from Zoeva 232. What is this called? Classic Shader. But yes, that's it you guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Just wanted to show you this really quick, how I would do like a soft look for every day, and if this is too much for you, then just don't add the darker colors like I did here. These are so amazing for $24. I honestly recommend this to everybody when you feel like you want something for every single day but you don't want to spend a lot of money, and the colors blend amazing. There's no intense fallout. The foiled eyeshadows are crazy intense, and you don't need to dip your brush a million times to get one single coat. So honestly, I am in love. I will definitely use them a lot of times. I'm probably even gonna put them in my kits. And yeah, let me know what you want to see next. If you do have any questions or requests, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.